on your right, they continue to come in. We'll be full of Skyraider, flown by Chuck Gardner and Julie Wood.
What is the airplane, Christian?
Carrying a bomb load, it is
Oh,
set
that
as
is
big as a
See that?
B-4-engine B-17 in World War II. The Able Dog, in about 7 degrees.
Wow.
Now look over your right shoulder at the Grumman airplane. Fully aerobatic. It has 2 jet engines turning propellers, a turboprop combination, and a top speed of 370 miles an hour. It is said to be the only airplane that had an injection seat from the Army jet. 35 years of service in the Army. Intelligence gathering.
Bye-bye.
You can see through the foliage. It flew mostly, but not exclusively at night. NASA used one of those. Look over your right shoulder. Imagine there's a forest fire out in front of us. Here comes one of the boring bombers from Lynch Flying
Fly-by
Service.
airplane.
Gonna drop a load
Tiny.
of body check. Red fire retardant down over the fire. You'll see that